Welcome again to Quantum Online Maths. Okay, here we go again. We have another problem on direct variation. They say the distance covered by a falling ball varies as the square of the time taken. Okay, if a ball falls through 1,800 meters in 15 seconds, calculate the distance when the time is 13 seconds and the time for a distance of 648 meters. Let's approach that solution. So next week we are going to delve into inverse variation. Okay, but let's solve this direct variation example. Okay, now we have a distance d. Okay, they say that it is directly proportional, varies directly as what? The time, the square of the time, that's d square. Okay, so in other words, what you have is that d is equal to what? K t square. So you introduce the sign of what? Constant, and remove this what? Sign of what? Proportionality. Okay, so now, but you were told that you have what? 1,800 meters to be the distance. Okay, when the time is what? 15 seconds. When the time is what? 15 seconds. So what it implies is that 1,800 is equal to k multiplied by 15 raised to power 2, which is 225, which will now give you 225k. So now k can be equal to 1,800 divided by 225, which will give you what? 8. Okay, so now the constant we have calculated to be what? 8. But we are told to calculate the distance when the time is what? 13 seconds. So the distance is equal to what? Kt square. Okay, but now k is what? 8 multiplied by t square is what? They say the time is what? 13 seconds. Okay, that's 13 raised to power what? 2. Is that okay? 13 raised to power 2, which is 169 multiplied by 8. So it will give you 1,300 and what? 52 meters. That's for the distance. Okay, but what is the time when the distance is 648? Okay, if the distance is 648, it means that it's equal to what? 8, which is k, multiplied by what? T squared. Okay, and you have, if you can make t squared the summation of the equation, you have t squared is equal to what? 648 divided by 8, which will give you what? 81. And if t square is what? 81, it means that t is equal to square root of what? 81, which is what? 9. So the time is equal to what? 9 seconds mathematically. Okay, so here's the distance when the time is what? 13 seconds. And here is what? The time when the distance is what? 648 meters. Solution. You see? Very easy. Bye.